have completed chemical thermodynamics and energetics. Let us will start the new topic, solution. What is meant by solution? Solution is a homogeneous mixture, or it is the combination of two components. One is the solute and another one is the solvent. Solute dissolve into the solvent, you can obtain solution. Here example is given, mixture of air in the gases. Another one is the rock, two or more minerals present in the rock. This is the solution. There are two types of the solution. First one is the homogeneous solution. Homo means single phase solution. Homogeneous solution, consider the example, sugar dissolved into the solvent. Sugar is the solute and water is the solvent. Addition of sugar into the water, you can obtain sugar solution. In a sugar solution, there is single phase, there is no different phase. Another one is the heterogeneous solution. Hetero means two phase, two layer. Kerosene dissolved into the water, you can obtain double layer solution or two layer solution. This is called as heterogeneous type of solution. In this heterogeneous and homogeneous solution, in 11th standard, homogeneous mixtures are classified into according to their size of the particle. The solutions having lesser size, this solution is a homogeneous solution, or it is also called as true solution. The true solution having size of the particle is very less, and then the homogeneous mixture is also called as true solution. Then specially homogeneous mixture is a true solution, and then this true solution or homogeneous solution having some characteristic properties. Here first one is the homogeneous in nature. All true solutions are homogeneous in nature, it containing solute and solvent. This is the first property of the homogeneous solution or true solution. Then second property, characteristic property is, it is made up of solute and solvent. The components of the solute and solvent depends upon physical states of the solute and solvent. Consider solute is the physical state, this is the liquid in a state, again solvent is liquid in a state. Then both solute and solvent having same physical state, this is the totally depends upon physical state of the components. Third property or characteristic property, components of the solute and solvent having same physical state. Solute and solvent is also considered as a sugar is also added into the water. This is the example of this solution. Then fourth property is, both components have same physical state. Consider the example, alcohol in a water, alcohol is a liquid in a state, water is a liquid in a state. Then these both components, solute and solvent having same physical state. Then which is the solvent and which is the solute? Solute is the minimum quantity of the present in the solution, and then solvent is a maximum quantity present in the solution. Example, kerosene and water. The kerosene having lesser quantity, and then it is acting as a solute, and then water is also present in the excess quantity. This is called as solvent. Means kerosene is a solute, and water is a solvent. This is the characteristic properties of the solution. Then next point is the types of solution. In these types of the solution, it is classified into, one is the solute, another one is the solvent. you can obtain solution. Here first example is given. Solvent phase is a gases, solute phase is a gases. Example is the mixture of air. In the mixture of air, in a gaseous state, different types of the gases can be mixed to each other. This is the solvent phase is gas, solute phase is gas, then mixture of air. Example. Second, solvent phase is a gas, solute phase is a liquid, water vapors in the air, that is called as mist. Mist means dhuke. Mist means dhuke. This is the example of a gas and liquid, solute and solvent. Third type is gas and solid. Solvent phase is a gas, solute phase is a solid. This is the sublimation of air. It is also considered example smoke, म्हणजे धूर. Next one is the solvent phase is a liquid, solute phase is a gas. Example, carbon dioxide dissolved in water. This is the soda water. In our regular thumbs up, Coca-Cola, it containing dissolved carbon dioxide. Then fifth example is solvent phase is a liquid, solute phase is a liquid. Example is alcohol in a water. Alcohol is the liquid and then water is also liquid phase. This is the liquid combination, alcohol in water. Sixth type is solvent phase is a liquid, solute phase is a solid. Example is the salt in water, common salt, sodium chloride dissolved in water, sugar is also dissolved in water. This is the liquid solid type of solution. Seventh is the solid gas type of solution. Solvent phase is a solid, solute phase is a gas. This is the example is adsorption of gases. This is the hydrogen over palladium. Here hydrogen over palladium. Palladium is the solid phase and then hydrogen gas is a gaseous phase. Hydrogen is a solute and palladium is a solid gas type of solution. Then next 8 number, solid liquid type of solution. Solid is the solvent, solute is the liquid phase, and then example is sodium amalgam in water. Then types of the solution containing 9 solid type of solution. Both solute and solvent phase are solid. Then example is copper in a gold. If you already general example, any type of the copper is also added into the gold, you can obtain to making a different types of the gold jewelry. Then in this total 9 types of the solutions are included in our syllabus, and then there are the mainly solute and solvent examples are there, and then solute solvent, the both phases are gases, then liquid gases, solid, liquid gas, liquid solid, solid gas, solid liquid and solid.